figured I'd give a quick update to the Fanhome Back to the Future DeLorean. I'm on issue 55, which was basically just to add one little part. It was more, we didn't add the speakers because on the original car, the real car from Back to the Future, those speakers don't exist. So it's really just a carpet and basically screwing it into this. So right now, looks like all the faux wiring is completed. So all of these wires that you see here, all these multicolored things, these are all fake wiring. All those wires are done. It should be anyway. I still have some large zip ties that need to be cut, but I'm not going to cut those wires until I know for sure that these wires are exactly where they need to be. The last 20 or so issues have only been about the interior. So largely the chassis hasn't been touched. Suspension's been done, the engine's been in. None of that has been touched since we started the interior. And now after the next issue, which is basically getting the electronics all wired in, there's going to be a circuit board. All these wires that are real wires, like, well, you can't see them, but like these guys down here are going to plug in, and then we'll be able to light up that entire dashboard. Looking forward to that. So that'll be on the next update. And the next boxes that I get, well, they'll also be finally the actual top to the DeLorean. So we'll actually see it take shape, the quarters, the roof, etc. But that's the update. Moving along, slowly, but moving along. And I'll tell you, it's really taking shape. What do you think?